card family. It's time for everyone's favorite show, Cooking with Cards. Now today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite game day treats, slow cooker brats. So, I have some brats here, and these are beer brats. You probably don't want to use cheddar brats or blueberry brats or anything fancy. You probably either want to use regular brats or slow cooker brats. So, I have a pan that's heating up, and I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil and swirl that around. And then you want to put your brats in there and sear them up. So I have my brats in the pan, and they're sizzling away. And while that's going on, I'm going to come over here and cut up an onion. Alright, so our onions are cut. I also cut up a stick of butter. Now you could cook these brats in sauerkraut, but if you don't want your whole entire house to smell like your sister's crotch, I recommend using onions, butter, and garlic. Now I use this already pre-minced jarred garlic, and this stuff's actually pretty good. I use it for a lot of different things. So, the brats are all browned and beautiful and sitting in the crock pot. So now we'll put some onions in. We'll just kind of break the onions up. And then we'll throw in some butter. Some of the garlic. A couple spoonfuls. That'll do ya. And then of course you can't make any dish without salt and pepper. Now the most important and final ingredient is beer. So get yourself any kind of beer you like, but I use some nice German beer, and this happens to be Oktoberfest style, which is even better. So a couple bottles of this ought to be enough. There you go. And so voila, you have this delicious pot of food that will sit in the crock pot all day. It'll take 7 or 8 hours on low heat or 4 hours on high heat, and you got yourself some delicious brats. Here's what the finished product looks like. Delicious. Very yummy. Well, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Cards.